there's this streamer called Creekcraft, and like he's literally the most annoying Roblox streamer slash YouTuber. First off, why the hell does he scream so much? Like, boy, you're not a child. Second off, he only plays Roblox, like pick another game. And why does he always cover one of his eyes? Like, are you nervous to show your literal normal eye? Like, all he does is sit in a chair and play Roblox. Like, pick another game. Maybe like Fortnite or something. Anyways, guys, this was a short video, and I hope you guys have a nice day.